Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Openrock earbuds and I'm going to tell you how you can easily do a soft reset. First we have to turn on our earbuds, and to do so we just have to take them out of the case. The first one and the second one. And now we have to close the case. So now they are turned on, and now we can begin with the soft reset process. To do our soft reset, we have to place them in the case again. Here and here. And now we have to close the case. So when the case is closed, we have to wait 10 to 20 seconds, I'd say. And after this time, we can take our earbuds again from the case. And that was the soft reset process. Goodbye!